Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Normal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the Infinix Note 5, which is the first smartphone from Infinix under the Android One platform. So this device was announced in India a couple of weeks back, and this device comes with 3GB RAM and 32GB storage, and this is priced at 999, and this is a quite good offering in this price segment. And one of the highlights of this device is that it comes with 4500 mAh capacity battery. So in this video, let's talk about this device. We'll do a quick unboxing. We'll show you the device, some camera samples and other software features included. So this device, the variant which we have, has 3GB RAM and 32GB storage. So looking at the back of the box, you can see the specifications. You can see that it has a 6-inch Full HD Plus resolution display, 18:9 aspect ratio, 1.25 micron pixels, 12 megapixel rear camera, 16 megapixel front camera with a low LED selfie, and it has a 4000 mAh 3-day battery life, and it also comes with a Helio P23 octa-core chipset. It has X-Charge, that's fast charging included. So this device runs on Android 8.1 Oreo, and this is under the Android One platform. That means updates will be provided directly by Google, so this will be getting the latest updates on a timely manner. So let's open the box pack. You can see on the top Meet Google Assistant stickers. So since this is Android One platform, you get this, and let's just peel off these stickers. So you can see that it does come with a dedicated SD card slot, two SIM cards and SD card support is included. So that's the device. So we have the blue variant with us. So it comes with a 12 megapixel rear camera, fingerprint scanner, and the Infinix branding. Looks pretty good in terms of the build quality. For a 10K device, this looks quite good, and build quality is pretty good. It also has the micro USB charging slot at the bottom, the 3.5mm audio jack, and the speaker unit. Right side houses the power key, volume keys, and the SIM tray, and left side does not have any openings or slots. Top panel also does not have any openings or slots. So let's boot this device. In the meanwhile, let's see what all comes inside the box. So here you go, you get the SIM ejector pin. We have the manual and warranty information. There's also screen guard included additionally. That's quite good. Then you get a case included with the box pack. This is quite good case, pretty useful basic case included. Then we have the adapter. Let's check the voltage rating of this adapter. So this supports fast charging. That's what company claims. So let's see the voltage rating. So its output is 5 volt to 9 volt 2 ampere, and 9 volt to 12 volt at 1.5 ampere. So that's the fast charging supported. You also get tangle free charging cable. That's a micro USB charging cable included. So that's all inside the box. Now let's see the device. So now we have booted the device. So that's the Infinix Note 5 with Android One platform. So you can see this runs on stock Android, and if you go to the app drawer, you can see no other apps other than Google apps. You can see that just basic Google apps, nothing else included. That's really good. And if you go to the settings panel, again the stock Android features, you can see no additional third-party options included. You get the basic options, some gestures are supported. You can see flip to mute, and takes 3 finger screenshot. Those are the only options included. So that's the Infinix Note 5 with Android One platform. So it looks really good in terms of the software. No additional apps included, no bloatwares included. And let's have a look at the camera as well. So this is one important aspect. So it comes with the Infinix camera app. So this is not the stock Android camera app, but Infinix has customized the camera app and looks good. It has portrait mode, beauty video recording is included, and let's see the video quality available. So you can see Full HD is the maximum supported. So this is powered by the Helio P23 octa-core chipset, and we have 3GB RAM variant and 32GB storage. Now there's also a 16 megapixel selfie camera included in this phone. So here are some of the samples we have taken with the Infinix Note 5. We'll also be coming up with a detailed camera review of this device, so stay tuned for that. Now the phone also comes with a 4500 mAh capacity battery. That is pretty good battery capacity, especially in this price segment. So that should be able to get you more than 2 days of battery life, and with the stock Android the performance should be again really good. So that was the Infinix Note 5 with Android One platform. So overall this looks like a good package, especially with a 9999 pricing, and offers a full HD plus resolution display. It's an 18:9 aspect ratio, and the display quality also looks really good. So that's the display quality. So we'll be coming up with other videos including the gaming performance, the camera review, and also the detailed review, so stay tuned for that. So this is Nirmal signing off with the unboxing and hands-on with the Infinix Note 5. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.